Hi friends, welcome to Always Learning with Jani Barsha. In this video, I am sharing inter-second year grammar topic. This grammar topic for 5 marks. Every year they're asking questions from this grammar. Uh, in the old textbook, the page number 84, the topic name is Exprime so ignorance, exprime une certitude. In the question paper, they are giving question like this: Répondez selon les indications données. It means indication given. Okay, so based on that, you have to choose a suitable answer. It's very simple. You know one technique. If you know the technique, means there's only one word you need to write in the answer in the question paper. Okay, just only one word answer. If you write one word, you will get 5 marks. Such a easy bit. Now I'll show you. If you open your textbook, page number 84, in that page you will find like ignorance, leisure youth, certitude ka we, certitude ka no. Usually in the question paper, they will ask questions like this. You can see in, for example, est-ce qu'il pleut beaucoup à Hyderabad? Est-ce qu'il pleut beaucoup Hyderabad? It means, is it rain a lot in Hyderabad? Is it rain lot in Hyderabad? In the bracket, they give the titles: ignorance, Satyajit Kavi, Satyajit Ka no, leisure dut. Based on that, you have to choose the suitable answer. It means you have to write. For example, they are giving leisure dut. Leisure dut means, in the leisure dut table you will have 5 options. You can write any one. It could be Shapanskavi, Patitra, Sip, Je ne suis pas tout à fait sûr. Okay, see, you can see in the question paper, you can see the paper in a video. See, based on that, you have to choose. For example, first one is leisure dut. So only one word answer you have to write. For example, Patitru you can write. It's an easy spelling you can write. The second one, Satyajit ka vi. If it is they have given Satyajit ka vi, you have to write Tutafe or Absolma. Which one you want, you can write. Now, third one, ignorance. Ignorance means like you have to ignore. Simply you can say je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. That one sentence enough. Now next one, accepte da façon conta. You have to accept in a polite way. So you can say simply avec pleasure. Also you can write. And next one, extreme certitude ka no. You can say au contraire or else pas du tout. It's very easy bit. Only one word answer is required. That's all. Okay, the only thing is, just to choose any, it depends on your interest. If you feel which word you want to write, you can write, because based on the spelling, because sometimes you may not remember all the spellings correctly. So easy one you have to choose. For example, ignorance, easy one is onvera, also you can write. That's also spelling easy. And je ne sais pas also very simple. And Satyajit ka we, you can say Absolma, and Satyajit ka no you can say Padatyu, and Leisure Dut you can say Patitra. Okay, and like this you can write. Thank you for watching.